After law school, I went to work for a federal trial court judge in Casper, Wyoming. His name was William Downs. He was a very fine man, a kind man, one who treated everyone who came before him in court with respect. I learned a lot about litigation while working for Judge Downs, and I was drawn to the courtroom. So after my clerkship, I went to work for the Department of Justice in Washington, D.C., defending the United States in tort claims against the government where an injured person alleged that a government worker was responsible for their injuries. When I was doing that job, I found myself identifying more with the injured party than my own client, the United States. I took pride in what I did on behalf of the government, but what I really found I wanted to do was to represent people who needed my help, who'd been hurt, or family members of those who'd been killed because of someone else's carelessness. So after my 4 years in the Department of Justice, I moved back to Casper, Wyoming, and started in private practice, where I began to develop a focus on representing injured people. I've been doing that for the last 14 years, and I have found incredible satisfaction and joy from representing people who've been hurt. There's nothing more satisfying than at the end of a case having your client turn to you and say thank you for all of the hard work that you've done for them and their family, for the results that have been delivered to them to help them get back on their feet and get some justice, and for the respect that we pay and I pay to my clients, because ultimately I treat them like my own family, and I want them to be able to move forward from what was done to them in the best way possible.